Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your instructor Samiruddin here, and today we're diving deep into something that's on everyone's mind: generative AI. Now let's be real, business leaders are struggling. They're seeing this AI wave, but they're not quite sure how to catch it, how to extract that real value. Meanwhile, employees? They're looking over their shoulders, wondering if their jobs are about to get replaced by a robot. But here's the thing: giants like Google and Netflix, they've got AI baked into their DNA. They're crushing it. So why aren't most companies doing the same? Look, we're already interacting with AI in so many ways. To stay competitive, we've got to elevate AI to the core of our operations. This isn't just about slapping some new tech on top of what we're already doing. It's about a complete digital mindset shift. It's about organizational change. And that's where this course comes in. I'm here to give you that urgent digital understanding of generative AI. We're gonna learn how to actually use this stuff to boost productivity and unlock real value. And let's be honest, you're gonna pick up a skill that's gonna be absolutely indispensable in the near future. We're gonna break it down into two simple steps. First, we're gonna understand what generative AI actually is. Second, we're gonna learn how to use it effectively. Now don't worry, you're not gonna become an AI engineer overnight. The goal here is to understand the potential. Think of it like this. AI can lower cognitive task costs, just like the internet lowered information distribution costs. Executives, managers, everyone needs to start learning and using AI. We need to identify those valuable use cases and start implementing them. And remember, as Dr. Karim Lakhani from Harvard University School says, AI will not replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI. We are so early in this transformation. The time to learn is now. Don't get left behind. Alright, that's it for this intro. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of this crucial information. Peace out.